Meet the HE&M 550 BSA horizontal pivot double miter bandsaw. The 550 BSA has a cutting capacity of 19.7 inches wide by 11.8 inches vertical at 90 degrees. Uses a 1 1/4 inch blade that is driven by a 5.5 horsepower, 440 volt 3-phase motor. The 550 gives you both speed and accuracy in mitering angles up to 45 degrees both directions and 60 degrees left. Swing the arm to the desired angle as indicated on the protractor scale. The scale is easy to read and locks at all angles. LED angle readout is easily read on the console. The 550 BSA miter capacities are 7.8 inches wide by 5.5 inches high at 60 degrees left miter, 13 inches wide by 11.8 inches high at 45 degrees left miter, and 11.8 inches wide by 8.7 inches high at 45 degrees right miter. The saw uses a patented hydraulic system integrated in the machine that allows a fine adjustment of the saw arm feed rate and cutting pressure for effective metal removal rates to cut all kinds of material. A swing-away control console is conveniently located on the front of the saw for operating semi-automatic cuts. This allows the operator to easily control the cut while seeing the progress clearly. Vising is hydraulic and easily adjusts to clamp the material, holding the workpiece securely during the cut. The guide arm is adjustable to help stabilize the blade and reduce vibration, providing optimum blade support for straighter cuts and longer blade life as material sizes change. Lead and roller guides are provided to help guide and stabilize the blade. The saw has a wide full capacity cutting surface for piece support, designed to have a comfortable and practical cutting area. The place for piece supports can be removed for smaller material and can be turned upside down to be used as new plates. The blade speed is variable and easily adjusted from the console with LED speed readout. The LED work light is available to easily view the cutting area. A laser light can be turned on to indicate where the blade will enter the material for the cut. The manual blade tensioner helps to maintain proper blade tension at all times during the cutting process. The blade tension value is shown on the console to allow for easily and accurate tensioning of the blade. A shaft-driven blade brush is standard for positive removal of metal chips that lodge in the blade gullets. An adjustable hardstop measuring device can be used to cut material the same length repeatedly without constant measurement. The base is a robust structure constructed with 3/16 inch steel and with a finish that is painted bright and smooth. A large chip container is provided for easy cleaning. The saw has a totally built-in coolant system with sealed coolant pump. The coolant is dispensed through the guide arms on both sides of the cut and a flex tool nozzle to flood the center of the cut. Thank you for watching our overview of the HE&M 550 BSA horizontal pivot double miter bandsaw. For more information and to submit a quote, visit our website at hemsaw.com.